Following his death, there was indeed a significant disease outbreak known as Plague of Anwas. This plague, also referred to as a plague of Emmaus, occurred during the caliphate of Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab anhu. It was one of the most devastating plagues of the time, taking many lives, including several prominent companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The disease spread quickly and caused significant suffering in the region. The Plague of Anwas is considered one of the earliest and most severe outbreaks recorded in Islamic history, often compared to later plagues in terms of its impact and the number of casualties. It is known for how it shaped Islamic rulings on quarantine and medical ethics. The Plague of Anwas, a historical reflection. Scene 1, Introduction. Narrator calls: in the annals of Islamic history, the Plague of Anwas stands as a significant and somber event. Occurring during the caliphate of Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab anhu, this devastating plague struck the region of Anwas, a village in Palestine, in 638 AD. It claimed countless lives, including those of many prominent companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Scene 2, Background. A map of early Islamic empire with Anwas highlighted in this picture. Islamic Empire. The early 7th century saw the rapid expansion of the Islamic Empire. Following the successful conquest, the Muslim community was establishing its presence in newly acquired territories. However, against this expansion, a formidable challenge arose in the form of deadly plague. Scene 3, The Outbreak. Illustrations of the historical village of Anwas and depiction of the plague mentioned in this pic. The plague, later known as the Plague of Anwas, began in the village of Anwas and quickly spread throughout the region. The disease was characterized by its rapid transmission and high mortality rate. It caused immense suffering and loss, with estimates suggesting tens of thousands of casualties. Scene 4, Impact on the Muslim community. Artistic depictions of key figures like Hazrat Abu Ubaidah ibn al-Jarrah and Hazrat Maud ibn Jabal. The history of epidemics. Narrator. The plague did not discriminate, affecting both common people and notable leaders alike. Among the most significant losses were Hazrat Abu Ubaidah ibn al-Jarrah, a trusted companion of the Prophet and one of the 10 promised paradise, known for his knowledge and piety. Scene 5, The Response of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu. Visual artistic rendering of Hazrat Umar consulting with his advertise. Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab demonstrated exemplary leadership during this crisis. Upon hearing about the outbreak, he consulted with his advisor and decided to implement quarantine measures. The early form of social distancing aimed to contain the spread of the disease. Hazrat Umar speaking to his advisors. If you hear that a plague has broken out in the land, do not enter it, and if it breaks out in land in which you are, don't leave it. C6 Lessons and Legends. Modern day scholars and historians discussing the event. The Plague of Amos left a lasting legacy on Islamic thought and medical ethics. It underscored the importance of community health and the necessity of quarantine during outbreaks. The event also highlighted the resilience and faith of the early Muslim community in the face of immense hardship. Modern historians speaking. The Plague of Amos is a poignant reminder of how early Muslims faced and responded to crisis. It also illustrates the timeless nature of principle of compassion, duty, and faith. In last conclusion, a serene landscape of the region today. Today, the Plague of Amos is remembered not just as a historical event but as a testament to the strength and wisdom of the early Muslim community. It serves as an enduring example of leadership, compassion, and resilience in the face of adversity. An artistic rendering of the village of Amos with the voice of a prayer for those who passed away. Allahu Akbar. May we always remember and honor those who suffered and preserved during the Plague of Amos. Their legacy continues to guide us through the challenges of our own times. We talk about end credits.